One original painting, one signature, and a room that finally has something to say. Loving Strokes by Joel Miller, reimagined as a collection you can live inside. Ottomans and pillows in almost a dozen styles and sizes. From an accent that tucks into a corner to a centerpiece built for the deck of a yacht. The artwork runs across every face, so there's no quiet side. Offered in 2 finishes, one for the home, one made for sun, salt, and open water. Nothing mass-made. Every piece made to order in America, and signed in turn by the artist's own hand. Loving Strokes. From Joe Lino Fine Art and Home Design. If walls could talk, this is what they'd say.